With the conclusion of 2023 rapidly approaching, Samsung enthusiasts are anticipating the release of the forthcoming S24 Ultra flagship. Mid-January 2024 is the anticipated release date of this highly anticipated device, which is anticipated to be the third S Pen-equipped super flagship in Samsung's lineup. While the S24 Ultra will bear resemblance to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, it will feature several significant modifications. The device will be more robust and lightweight than its predecessor due to its titanium frame. While the S Pen will remain unchanged, it will not gain any new specifications or features in comparison to the S23 Ultra. Similar in size and weight to the S23 Ultra, the S24 Ultra will measure 162.3 by 79 by 8.6 mm and weigh 233 grams, which is marginally less than the S23 Ultra. Although the device's color alternatives remain unknown, it is improbable that it will offer as many vibrant or varied hues as the iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium does. The storage and RAM capacities of the S24 Ultra will remain essentially unchanged, with 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of base storage, respectively, with 512 GB and 1 TB of storage also available. The same 5000 mAh battery will power the S24 Ultra as it did the S23 Ultra. Samsung will maintain 15-watt wireless charging and 45-watt wired charging, in addition to reverse wireless charging for recharging the watch or AirPods. One UI 6, which is designed to operate on Android 14, is anticipated to be pre-installed on the S24 Ultra for a minimum of 4 years. Although this may appear to be a relatively brief duration in contrast to the 7-year support period announced by Google, it is nonetheless a significant span of time. There are 4 years of security updates and 3 years of software support remaining for the S23 Ultra. Similar to the S23 Ultra, Samsung's upcoming flagship phone will almost undoubtedly feature dual speakers, making it one of the most aesthetically pleasing flagships of 2023. Comparable to the S23 Ultra, the haptic feedback will consist of precise vibrations that enhance the user experience. It is anticipated that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature improved telescopic cameras, resulting in a more vibrant display and enhanced performance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.